Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can draw shapes in a canvas with Python using the Turtle library, which, as I mentioned, is a built-in library, so you don't have to install anything. Just create a new Python file in your project directory. So I have created a PyCharm project here, and I'm just going to name that main.py. So I didn't provide any extension. .py was added automatically by PyCharm. Import Turtle. That's the library. And the Turtle library provides a Turtle class. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's create a variable. My turtle equal to turtle. So the library dot turtle. This one here with capital T, and that is a class. If you right click here and go to and then go to declaration or usages, that will take you to the actual turtle class, which is defined somewhere in the turtle library. So you see class turtle, and it does some things here. Anyway, I just wanted to prove you that this is actually a class, and we are here creating an object instance with that turtle class by using these parentheses. Turtle doesn't get any arguments, so just leave it like that. And then what do you want to do with this turtle object instance? My turtle can go forward, so forward is one of the turtle class methods. Actually, if you go here again to go to and go to declaration of usages, you'll not find that forward method in this class, because forward is actually a method of row turtle. Row turtle is the parent of turtle. So we're talking about inheritance here, which we will cover in just a bit. And this is an example of inheritance. We will implement our own inheritance with our program. So if you go and right click over row turtle and then go to and go again to declaration or usages and go down here to see if forward is among these methods, and if it isn't, which is the case now, that means forward can be part of the parent of row turtle. One of the parents, because now it has two parents here. So tpen or tnavigator. Let's check tnavigator and go to declaration or usages and search for that forward method. And you will find it in here. So that is the method we are using. So since that method was a method of the parent of turtle, we can use that method. We can access it from that object instance, which is tied to this variable now. So it took us a while to find out where this method was defined. You can also do that directly by right-clicking over the method and go again to go to and go to declaration or usages again, and that will take you straight to the method where it is defined. So the same method that we just saw a few seconds ago. Right. Forward, how can we use this method? Well, forward expects an argument, which is the pixels that the turtle should walk, so the distance that the turtle should move forward. Now we are ready to execute this program. So run main, right click and run main. And the program executed, and you probably saw a window showed up, but then it closed. So something happened very instantly. If you want to keep the window that opened on the screen, you want to do turtle. So not my turtle, but turtle, the library name, that one. Done. Now right click, execute again. And this time you see that this is the move that the turtle made. So that is 100 pixels forward. Now, if you want to keep going, you can duplicate this line. So you can click somewhere on the line in PyCharm and press Ctrl D or Command D, and that will duplicate that line. So if you run again now, stop and rerun. Let me try that again. You can press this checkbox here if you don't want this window to show again. And so this time we got 100 forwards and another 100 forwards. But usually that's not what we want to do. Sorry. What we want to do is we want to turn somewhere to the left, for example, at a certain degrees. So this is the angle that we want to turn. Now if we execute this, you see that the turtle went 100 pixels forward and then it turned left, but it didn't move. If you want to move it 100 more here in here or 200 more, so if you want to have the turtle, the pointer in here, then we want to say my turtle dot forward 200. So let's do that. My turtle forward 200. Right? If you want to go here now, how do we do that? Well, first we have to turn the arrowhead left 90 degrees because currently it's pointing to the north. So we want to say go left 90 degrees and then move forward 100 degrees. Let's do that. My turtle left 90 degrees. My turtle forward 100 degrees. And this is what happens. So we're doing well. Now, can you find out how can we reach this point here? What methods should we run and what will be the values that these methods will have as arguments? Well, that would be my turtle dot left again, 90 degrees, my turtle forward, so that would be 200 again, right? And that draws a rectangle for us. Now, if you see carefully the drawing here, you'll probably notice that the origin of the rectangle, the point where the arrowhead started, is at the very center of the canvas. So the canvas has a hidden coordinate system and the origin of that coordinate system is in the center. So 0, 0, that is a coordinate. So what can we do if we want to start the rectangle drawing somewhere in here, for example, in another arbitrary coordinate? Let's see how we can do that. So far we did create a canvas instance, or turtle if you want to call it like that. So that generates the canvas, and then we move 100 pixels, and then here we turn 90 degrees left, and so on. You get the idea. Now to start at another point, we want to apply my turtle go to. So that will take us to certain coordinates, x and y. Let's say 50 for x and 75 for y. So let me comment this. Go to a certain coordinate. Let's try this to see what happens. Yeah, so more or less we got what we wanted. So that's the origin of the canvas, and go to, what it does actually, it draws a line So from there it goes to 50, 75. So 50 is the X here. Horizontally we have 50 pixels. Vertically we have 75 pixels. So 50 here, 75 here takes us to this point, and then we move forward 100, turn left, move forward 200, turn left, move forward 100, turn left, move forward 200. And that's it. Yeah, of course, now you are saying, but we don't want this line. We want a rectangle to draw, not a rectangle with a tail. If you don't want that line, what you can do is, before you draw this line that takes you to these coordinates, you put the pen up. So basically don't touch the canvas with your pen. If you execute this now, nothing will happen, so the turtle will move, but the pen is always up. So what you want to do is you want to move the pen up here, so to not draw a line for this move, but then you want to move the pen down when the rectangle starts to draw. That should fix the issue. And that's it. This is how you use Turtle to draw on a canvas with Python. Thanks for following. In the next video we will implement Turtle in our program. See you there.